Hello and welcome to the EMP Tech Group. Back out in the shop with Mike Wright, but not talking about a fun project, talking more about a fun product than a fun project. And it's this right here, which is a Zebra Array Reader.
Yep.
It's an ATR7000.
Yes, yes.
And it's a product that's been out for 5 or 7 years now. Zebra's had this product for a long time. And it's a product that's kind of matured over the years in terms of what we can do with it and our understanding of it. And our understanding of it has matured as well. So we've started using this passive RFID array reader in some projects now. And it's a tricky product, and it's pretty complicated. So we wanted to do a video and talk a little bit about it. So ATR7000. I don't remember how many antennas are in here, but a lot.
Yeah, it's an array of an antenna, so it basically randomly scans its field of view with those antennas.
Right. One of the downsides, there's a lot of catches to this product. One of them is it's got to be up high.
Yes.
Right.
18 inches or 18 feet.
18 feet, and ours is probably 18 or 20 feet up there.
It's 18 feet up.
Yeah. And we put this up in our shop so we could do some testing.
Yes.
And that's what we've been doing here with it. So, okay, got to be up high. It's going to cover a pretty big area. I'm going to walk a little bit here. So I'm going to go all the way over here, and I measured this off earlier. So I'm about 30 feet away from where that is. So 30 to 40 feet in both directions. So you're going to cover, and one of our guys, Chris, put this blue tape on the floor all over the place because this is where he started to lose signal, right?
Yep.
So a 3,000 or 4,000 square foot area, you can see passive tags anywhere in that area. Yeah. So one scenario for this product is that you put it up in the ceiling, and you're covering 3,000 or 4,000 square feet. And you could have 10 of these in different areas around a facility, and you could go, I'm looking for tag 1, 2, 3, and you could go, well, this reader sees it, so it's in this area.
Yes.
Okay. And then you can go one step further, and you can go, it's in one of these, there's 4 quadrants, and you can say it's in that quadrant. So not only is it out here in this area, it's in that quadrant. From there, you could potentially then go, I'm going to get a handheld reader and I'm going to Geiger counter my way to it, because you can set this reader in a mode where it beeps faster and faster and faster and faster as you get closer to the product.
Correct.
Cool. All right. There's another layer that then gets way more complicated. And I want to talk about passive RFID tags versus RTLS, real-time locating systems. Passive RFID tags aren't really made to be real-time locating. They're identification products where you don't have to see the barcode and scan and be line of sight. You can identify something just with RF energy in the air. So you can light up an RFID reader and go, oh, I see this product, and it's in this area.
Or a lot of products at the same time.
Exactly. Yeah. And crazy good use cases. Is the right product going through here? How do I find a certain serial number, which is what we're talking about? How do we locate that? So this reader is capable of doing much more granular locating. Right? Down to a foot or two. Yeah. With a passive UHF tag, not an active tag. Not an expensive tag that needs a battery, and with crazy expensive readers and complicated infrastructure, you can locate with this. But it does get way more complicated.
You need software to analyze the data from the ATR to singulate it down to the smaller areas.
And that's called CLAS. Okay, CLAS?
Yes, CLAS.
Okay. Tell me how that works.
So that basically the CLAS talks to the ATR, takes all that data in. The ATR, what it's doing, it's randomly scanning its area, and it's going to read the tag as it points its beam in multiple places. And so the CLAS takes all those reads and says, I see it here, here, and here with all these different power levels. So my best guess is the tag's here.
Okay. So within a couple feet, not within inches, but hardly anybody needs that. Now, the downside of that is got to stand up a server.
yes.
Got to build middleware to talk to that.
And so CLAS it's middleware. It has no user interface. So in order to do something with that data, you still need more software.
Okay, yeah. Which, it's funny because we've been talking to a lot of RFID software vendors lately. We signed one up called Zemelgo. They seem to have some really reasonable, good application software. We do middleware.
Yes.
So, hey, I got to get that tag data in like our latest video. We got to write it to a table somewhere, and then the customer is going to take it from there. But sometimes the need is I need a full suite of software that will, you know, take action and, you know, do all kinds of things, not just write the data to a table somewhere. And Zemelgo's answer is that when we start looking at CLAS and we start looking at doing granular locating and we start looking at the cost and complexity of that, almost always the customer goes, okay, I don't need to know it that fine.
Yes.
I can do if I do need it that fine, I can locate with this, or as long as I know it's in that area, then I can find it from there.
Or that I know it moved. So one of the applications of this is put it over a dock door, and I know it went out versus coming in.
I didn't get to that one, and that's a great one.
Yep.
So, okay, so I can say, hey, this reader sees it.
Yep.
This reader sees it in this quadrant.
Yep.
This reader sees it exactly here. That gets complicated and expensive. But that's a great, I forgot this. I can also go, hey, I saw it go this way or that way.
Yeah, so think of your 4 quadrants. I saw it go from quadrant 1 to 2.
Nice.
So if 1 to 2 is out the door, then you know it left the facility.
So a truck dock
Yes.
application, that's perfect for it, right? Because we're going to hang it over the truck dock, and we're going to go, I saw it, I want to know if it came or it went, right? I want to know if I'm unloading a truck and all these products are coming off the truck, or I want to know if it's going in the truck.
Or think about reusable containers. I know I got them back, I know when they left.
Nice.
So if I start missing things, then I got an idea when the last time I saw it, and where is it in my warehouse, is it in somebody's truck?
Got it. So, big picture.
Yeah.
It's not that expensive of a product either, by the way. And that's the other thing. It's kind of helped with us trying to use this is the prices come down over the years. So to hang one of these up in the ceiling, to hang 10 of these up in the ceiling, or 100 of them, and to build then a system that says, I'm looking for this tag, that reader sees it, it's in that quadrant, okay, that's good enough, that's what I needed to know.
Or the last time a reader saw it was at this period of time, so I know when it disappeared.
Okay. Well, in the tool crib applications we've been doing where you could, you know, go, hey, is that tool coming or going? I need to know that it got checked in or it got checked out. Or a truck dock. I need to know that this went on the truck. Oh, by the way, they put the wrong product on. I need to notify somebody right now because we're about to ship the wrong product to a customer. Yeah, cool. Well, again, it's a complicated product. There's a lot of layers to it. Took us a while to figure it out, but we're starting to use it now. And I always talk about the tools in our tool belt because the way we work is to go to a customer site and go, what are you trying to do? They tell us their business problem and we come up with solutions. And now we're starting to use this more and more as one of the solutions in our tool belt.
Yes.
Yeah, cool. Love to help you with an RFID project. As you can see from this, we've got a lot of experience and knowledge and expertise, and we can build some software. We can bring in someone like Zemelgo and have an application that's ready to go, that can be stood up pretty quickly and is really robust. We can help at a lot of levels. EMPTechGroup.com, always the best place to reach us. By the way, I was told, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. We'd love to have you as part of our regular followers on these videos. So thanks for watching.
Thanks.